Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? CSS Grid display, grid template, FR and more. Let's start coding. Let me create project folder first. CSS Grid. Let's create our index.html and style CSS. Let me create HTML structure first. CSS Grid and let's connect our link CSS to our web page. Link CSS, style CSS and save it. Let me run our server. Before starting our tutorial, I want to show what we will do in this tutorial. We will create a website layout. We will divide our page different parts. We will add different information in each site. For example, I added logo at this place and menu here and banner area, news, content 1, 2, 3 and then etc. And that one is view of our layout on mobile devices such as our mobile phone or our tablet. So that layout is going to be fully responsive layout. Let's start our project. I'm going to create HTML section, then we'll assign style later. Let's create a container and let's create a navigation area and a label for our logo, class logo and say logo. And let's create our menu and menu items. Let me copy about products, contact and support. Let's save it and let's create main banner area. Let's create news area. I'm going to assign ID for that one. I'll explain why I'm adding ID news. And let's add a div for sidebar. ID sidebar. Let's assign content area. ID content 1. Let me copy that one. And content 2. Content 3. And lastly, I'm going to add our footer area. Footer. And let's save it. You see guys, we just see the text. We don't see anything because we haven't assigned any style to our web page. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.